Hello everyone, my name is Ramkrishnan. I am Vice President Business Development from Makino India Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Makino's V series 5-axis machining centers comes with various sizes V80S, V90S and V100S for various sizes of the mold making requirements. The V80S is a vertical machining center with 5-axis continuous movement. This machine is used for making medium and large mold in die mold industry, and this has a tilting and rotating spindle that can be positioned to provide optimum tool life and superior cutting performance. Makino is a global pioneer in providing metal cutting solutions to various industries: automotive, aerospace, medical, semiconductor, and various other industries. Our machines provide unmatched surface finish, very high accuracy, and maximum spindle performance. Here in TAGMA, we are showcasing some of our finest purpose-built products for the mold making industry.